Konnichiwa, Senpai Tachi. Welcome back to my channel. Watashi wa Jessica Senpai desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So kung bago lang kayo sa akin channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon para ma-notify kayo for my upcoming uploads. So for today, we have the last part or the part 3 ng ating series sa counters. So in order for me to elaborate this topic, I will proceed to my presentation. Small things, we have Ikko. So 1, 2 is Nikko, 3 is Sanko, 4 is Yonko, 5 is Gogo, 5 is Goko, 6 is Roko, 7 is Nanako, 8 is Hakko, 9 is Kyuko, 10 is Juko, and ang interrogative natin ay Nanko. Sige, so long things. Okay. We have here Ippon for 1, 2 is Nihon, 3 is Sangbon, 4 is Yonghon, 5 is Gohon, 6 is Roppon, 7 is Nanahong, 8 is Happon, 9 is Kyuhong, 10 is Jupon. Interrogative natin is Nanbong. Sige. We have shoes and socks. Okay. So dito is pairs. Hindi kunwari, 'di ba? Ang shoes and socks ay palaging pair. May pair of shoes, pair of socks. Kasi 'di ba, dalawa yung paa natin. Okay. So ang isang pair is isoku. Isoku. So, soku ang basa sa counters ng shoes and socks. Isoku. Next is nisoku sa 2. 3 is sangsoku. 4 is yongsoku. 5 is gosoku. 6 is rokusoku. 7 is nanasoku. 8 is hasoku. 9 is kyusoku. 10 is jusoku. And ang interrogative natin is nansoku. Sige. Sa houses naman. Sa mga bahay. Okay. 1 is iken. 2 is niken. 3 is sangen. 4 is yongken. 5 is goken. 6 is rokken, 7 is nanaken, 8 is hakken, 9 is kyuken, 10 is juken. Ang interrogative natin is nangen. Okay. For our last counter natin sa small animals or fish. So special ang 1. So ipiki. Next is number 2, nihiki. 3, sangbiki. B. 4 is yonghiki. 5 is gohiki. 6 is roppiki. 7 is nanahiki. 8 is happiki. 9 is kyuhiki. 10 is jupiki. And ang interrogative natin is nanbiki. Hi! Uwari desu. That will be all for today, Senpai. Thank you for watching on this video. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if you like this video, you can share it with your friends na nag-aaral ng Japanese language. Genbati kudasai. Mata ne!